How to purchase simple licenses and drawing files for CNC machine software in one package. Video instruction from the marketplace patentmarket.biz. Enter the Patents menu, select the Patents submenu. Products are displayed on the page. At the top of the price tag are the flags of 10 countries that have patented 6 smart furniture designs. In a specific case, we purchased the drawing files for the CNC machine software and a 5-year patent license for their production and sale in one package. This package can be purchased for $4,500. Press the buy button. We go to the next page where the price of the product is displayed. Below the price, there is a field for a promotional code, which is provided to all referrals who register on our website in their referral field. When using a promotional code, the price for the buyer of a patent license is reduced by 10%. Thus, we cooperate with referrals and they, in turn, with patent buyers. Of course, you can buy a product without using a referral code. WIPO document. List of countries in which the patent was issued. Product description. Registration number on WIPO. Pictures. Registration date. We return to the field and make a test purchase. As a demo for testing, we'll show you a $1 purchase. There is no product description on the test page. Here is the promotional code that the referral gives. If you have a discount from a referral, enter the promotional code in this field. Click the Buy button and go to the next page, where in this case, the image, name, price, discount is displayed. The referral promo code is not entered. The Pay button is not yet activated. First of all, you need to read and agree to the terms of the site. We conclude an agreement. We read the contract. If you are satisfied with the agreement, you return to the page and agree to the terms of the agreement. The Pay button is now activated. Click the Pay button again, and you will be taken to the registration page. Register using your company's official credentials. Your personal data is only your first and last name. After registration, you will be authorized. In the upper corner, you can see that we have completed registration and authorization. We begin the purchasing process. We go to the Patents menu again. Agree to the terms again. Click the activated PI button. Check again what we are buying. Click the PI button again, and the site is redirected to the PayPal registration page. One of the most reliable payment systems is PayPal, which ensures failed transactions for 180 days if the customer's claim is correct. If you are already a PayPal user, you will be signed into your personal account. If not, You will be opening an individual account with PayPal, not a business account. This is quite enough to make a purchase. Sign up for PayPal. Enter your email address and phone number. The code and password were sent from PayPal to the phone number. You enter personal data, address. You agree to its rules and go to the shop page. Click the shop button, enter your bank card details. We swipe the card and buy. An invoice appeared. Who bought it, when, and at what price. We return to the patentmarket.biz page. You enter your personal account, where your purchase code, time, license term, and product are already visible. This is the button that will download the product to your computer. We let it load, and it loaded. Now go to the Patents menu, sub-menu Acquired Patents, and see our purchase document. This document is proof that you are indeed the owner of the electronic license. Therefore, pay attention to the information you enter about the company when registering. This information will be reflected in this document, including the company name and identification code. Also, these documents will help you determine the number of competitors before purchasing in the region where you are going to sell their identical product. Good luck!